Part 11, 10, Useful English Idioms. 1. Be at daggers drawn. Hindi, Kadavi dushmani hona. Explanation, to be in deep conflict or hostility. Example, the two neighbors were at daggers drawn after the argument. 2. Be at one's wit's end. Puri tara parashan hona. Explanation, not knowing what to do because of stress or confusion. Example, she was at her wit's end with the noisy class. 3. Be below the belt. Hindi, anuchit ya ahat karne wala vyavahar. Explanation, something unfair or hurtful to say or do. Example, his comment about her family was below the belt. 4. Be brought in from the cold. Hindi, upeksha ke baad fir se shamil kiya jana. Explanation, to be accepted back after being ignored. Example, after years of neglect, he was brought in from the cold by the team. 5. Be cleaned out. Hindi, puri tara kangal ho jana. Explanation, to lose all money or belongings. Example, after the theft, he was completely cleaned out. 6. Be dead in the water. Hindi, aage badhne ki koi umeed na hona. Explanation, a plan or idea that cannot succeed. Example, without funds, the project is dead in the water. 7. Be done and dusted. Hindi, puri tara khatm aur nipat chuka. Explanation, completely finished. Example, the assignment is done and dusted. 8. Be full of beans. Bahut urja aur utsah se bhara. Explanation, very lively and energetic. Example, the kids were full of beans after the holidays. 9. Be green around the gills. Hindi, bimar ya ulti jaisa mahsoos karna. Explanation, looking unwell or feeling nauseous. Example, he looked green around the gills after the long ride. 10. Be green with envy. Bahut jalan mahsoos karna. Explanation, feeling very jealous. Example, she was green with envy when her friend won the prize. Subscribe for more idioms that are useful for competitive exams like CGL, IBPS PO, Clerk, SBI PO, RBI Assistant, NDA, CDS, and many more.